know where I'm going, dude.
Who's in the tower?
Right, don't shoot. Just run.
Watch the helicopter. Watch the plane. Watch the plane. They'll be shooting through the plane. Use that star. Use that star. Come on, pop out. Come on. I'm daring you. What do we got over here? What do we got over here? Hey. Yeah, doggy. Hey, hey, they're getting on the plane. They're getting on the plane. On the wing of the plane. Hey, am I hit? Oh, hit. Oh. Players out, let them walk. Hey. I'm hit over here. Just saying, don't shoot me. Did they have 3 in the tower? Hey! Behind the blue wall?
Yeah. That blue, you know, the blue barrels back there. Can you go behind there? Is that part of this course?
If you go like if you go behind it, you're currently on the other field.
Oh, okay.
But if you stay like on the side, then you can like.
Oh, we have to be on this side of the barrels, though.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
To be on like this side on the field.
Okay. Cool. So that's the boundary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got hit again. I heard someone calling out over there, I shot you in the ass. I was like, yeah, I got like right here somewhere. Yeah, someone's on, I saw someone like step up onto the plane.
Yeah, I was about to climb up onto it, but as soon as I got went to it, it was just like all around me. So I fucking went to the back. And then I popped up, and there was somebody at this plane. I started shooting at them. Went back down, and I got shot right in the knee.
Oh, my knee hurts from sliding.
Fuck, man, I caught me a good one right here.
Oh yeah,
Fucking
that sucks.
That was on that small ass course.
I got like shot so many times. When I was hit that snake, did you see that?
No.
I was on the other side, on this side right here, and I was out of air like completely. I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna see if they pop out and see if my team can get them. So I jumped over the snake, started crawling. Paint started flying everywhere. It was everywhere. Oh, was that game?